dear friends, welcome to my tutorial. And for today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can improve your mobile data speed. Maybe you meet yourself, you are unable to send a picture, a video, due to your internet. Your data speed is very slow. Now, on this tutorial, I just want to give you one setting that you can make, that you can change on your phone, and it will increase the speed of your data. Now, on some phones, you need that when you insert a SIM card, the APN are automatically set, but to some phones you need to set the APN manually, and that is it. Now on this case, I want to show you if you are experiencing low speed of your mobile data, how you can set your APN manually for you to increase the speed of the data. Now, it should depend with the phone, but with your phone, just go open settings, then click on connections. After clicking on connections, you have to go to mobile networks. To depend with the phone, but all the settings of mobile data are found on mobile networks. So on this part, you tap on mobile networks to open. This one now, when you click on mobile data, you tap to open access point names. You tap to open. You know that you are connected to the default APN of the SIM or of the SIM card that you're using. Now, on this part, to improve the speed, to increase the speed of the mobile data, you have to add the APN settings. This one now, you have to click on add. On the upper part, the right part, you click on add like this. Now, when you click on add, you have to edit the access point, and it is now on name. You just type, you give the name 4.4.8.5G. Then OK. On APN, you set to click on and then give the name, or the APN should be 4.4.8.8. Then you click OK. On server type, this one, tap on server. You have to give, or you have to type www.google.com. Then you click OK. Then on APN type, you just put it as default. Is there OK? Then you click OK. On protocol, APN protocol, here you choose IPv4/IPv6, this one. Then on BRR, this part on BRR, you have to choose all the categories. You have to choose all the categories like this. You select all the given, you have to select all, then click OK. Now, after setting your APN, you have to save. It is here now. You click on these three dots like this, then click save. After that, you know that you have created your APN, and for you to connect to the APN that you have created, you just tap on it to choose it. You know that when you choose it, you lose a connection for some few seconds or minutes for it to connect to the APN that you have chosen. On this case, I choose this one. You know that you lose data for some moments, and then you gain data which will have high speed than the one that you have been using. On some cases, if you choose the APN that you have created, then you experience that there is no connection. You just restart your SIM. You just restart your phone for the APN that you've connected to be activated. On the other case, if this one, the setting that you have set, if it will not work with you, I'll advise you to choose, or you go back to the default settings or to the default APN that you have been using. That is a simple setting that you can use to increase the speed of your mobile data. Hope it will help you. And that is the end of the tutorial today. Hope you have enjoyed. And for new members, please support my YouTube channel. Just subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you all. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again, giving you another tutorial. Bye.